Snappa Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Snappa Affiliate Program Review. In today's video, I'll walk you through my experience with the Snappa Affiliate Program, covering its features, benefits, and who this program is best suited for. Be sure to check the links in the description if you're interested in signing up. Snappa is a user-friendly graphic design tool that helps users create professional quality images for social media, websites, blogs, ads, and more. With its drag-and-drop interface, Snappa caters to both beginners and advanced users who want to create visually appealing graphics without the steep learning curve of traditional design software. Whether you're running a small business, working as a marketer, or just need beautiful visuals for personal projects, Snappa makes the process easy and efficient. The Snappa Affiliate Program offers a great opportunity to earn commissions by referring new users to the platform. The program provides competitive commissions for each successful sign-up and sale, giving affiliates the chance to earn a reliable income. Snappa also offers a 30-day cookie window, meaning you can earn commissions up to 30 days after someone clicks your referral link. The program is straightforward to join, and once you're in, you'll have access to a range of promotional materials, including banners, text links, and social media content. This makes it easy to integrate Snappa's promotion into your website, blog, or social media accounts. Whether you're writing about graphic design tools, marketing, or entrepreneurship, Snappa is a relevant product to recommend to your audience. Snappa's free plan gives users access to limited templates, but its paid plans unlock more advanced features, such as high-quality stock photos, more templates, and additional export options. As an affiliate, you can target both free and premium users, giving you flexibility in your promotional efforts. To sum up, the Snappa Affiliate Program is a great way to earn money while promoting an easy-to-use and valuable design tool. Whether you're an experienced marketer or just starting, Snappa's simplicity and broad appeal make it a solid choice for affiliate marketing. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.